Well, the reason we decided to check into some gutter guard of some sort was because our front gutter was sagging. We could not get it hooked back up. Evidently, water had been seeping under to the rafters and causing problems. You can see that we're next to these huge, beautiful pines, firs, and needles. Okay. Pine needles were our biggest concern.
Right.
And when he showed us the Valor, we were impressed. And
so it's the pine needles, that's the number one reason?
Yes.
Right.
And we're hoping that is going to solve our problem as far as the clogged gutters.
Yeah, and so how do you feel about the job that was done?
It's beautiful. You can, you can see.
It's gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. Neighbor happened to mention it looks like we have crown molding around the top of the house. So
wonderful. Do you think you'd recommend us if
Yes, I would.